Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be showing y'all how to bring fur back to life. So let's jump into this video. So as y'all can see, these fur boots are definitely worn out. The fur is not white, it's brown. It's a lot of like dirt stuck in the fur, and the fur is coming off of the shoe. So I'm just going to fix these up and make them look brand new. So you're going to make sure that you have a comb. Doesn't matter what type of comb, but it should be good for getting out knots. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the fur, and I'm just going to get all the knots out and make sure all the dirt is out. Now if the dirt doesn't come out by the comb, then you just take your fingers and you just pick it out, and there you have it. And you just continue to do that until all the knots are out and the fur kind of looks slightly fluffy. But right now the fur looks more like stuck together, and like they got rained on and they dried up from just sitting there. So you know, the fur doesn't look really that fresh. So now when one shoe is finished, you're going to repeat the method for the other shoe. That way, like I said before, you can get all the dirt out and the knots out. And then once you're done doing that, you're just going to get all the fur out and stuff from the comb. And I did have a big clump on my carpet. So yeah, it was definitely a lot of knots, but as you can see, it definitely looks different. So yeah. See, you see all that clump of hair that came from the comb? It's like I was combing somebody's hair. So I am completely done with combing both of these shoes out. Look at all that clump of hair that came from both of them, and all that dirt, all those knots, and all, yeah. So now we're going to distribute these boots into the washing machine. Now you don't have to wash yours in the washing machine if you don't want to. You can hand wash yours if that's how you want to do it, especially if like your fur is on your slides and you don't want to wash your slides. So you just take the fur off and then you can put it back on. But I'm going to put mine in the washing machine, that way I can put some bleach on it so it can get back white like how it was when I first made them. So I'm going to put in some oil, which is basically like for sensitive skin and stuff like that, and I'm going to put it all around. And then after I'm done putting that in, I'm going to put in, of course, some bleach. Well, after I put my boots in there, like you can tell compared to the washing machine that these shoes are not white, they are brown. But yeah, then after that, I'm just going to put the bleach in there, and I'm going to close it and let the washing machine do its thing. Okay, so now these shoes are clean. As you can see, the fur definitely does look better. And now I'm just going to put these in the dryer so the fur can get fluffy and it won't be so damp and close together like it is now. Okay, you guys, so the shoes are cleaned and dry, and I'm going to put them on so you guys can see what they look like. So this is the finishing touch. It's crazy because they look bigger in person than they do on camera, but yeah, they're shakeable. They're back to how they're supposed to look. I don't have any glue sticks, so I can't glue the fur back on, but I will do that soon. This was just showing y'all how to clean it. But yeah, like I said, you don't have to do it exactly how I did it. You can hand wash it or whatever, or if you have a different color, you don't have to use bleach. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.